Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. In this video, we will talk a little bit about two of my favorite drones for FPV. That is going to be the Avata as well as the Neo 2. Now, the difference with the Neo 2 is that you do have to connect the little module in order to be able to fly this with the different type of controllers like the RC3 controller, the RC motion controller, the RC2, all of those different type of controllers. You need that little module connected. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to connect the module and as well as show you in detail a little bit about what each controller is going to bring to bear. So if you guys are ready to get out there and start flying your Neo 2, this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you will be notified the next time I do a video like this. But yeah, let's get right into it. Let's take this guy back here to the back desk. Let's take a look at some of what it takes to get this guy in the air. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, so I have a couple of the controllers here. We have the Motion 3. We have the FPV controller 3 here as well. You know, all of these controllers, including the RC, can work with the Neo, but most of these other controllers over here are designed to work with the Avata 2 with the goggles, but we won't be doing that today. So what we want to do is connect this drone to the transmitter. So if you did not purchase the digital transmitter with the drone, you can purchase that separately, and I'll show you guys exactly how to install it. So let's just go ahead and get into the box. All right, guys, so here is the actual device. Very simple to install. Pop that guy open like so. Let's take that out. So this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, there's a few little screws in here. Now these screws cannot fall out, so they're just going to mount right here on the back. You're going to plug in the USB like so. You're going to hear a little click, and then you're going to screw those down just to make sure they don't come out. Now this did not come with the little screwdriver that you need to do this, but most people will have a little small screwdriver in their little kits. I don't recommend flying this without screwing this down, but to get this started, guys, once you have that on, all you have to do is to connect it to whichever of the controllers you're going to connect it to. Now I'll tell you out of the box, it is a long process, you know, for us nerds who have no patience to set this up, because you have to go through a lot of updates. So let's just start with the RC2 controller here. We're just going to turn it on and wait for that to power up. And then we'll be turning on the drone here, which we could probably just go ahead and turn it on, press once and then hold, and it's going to switch the drone on. Gotta see the little propellers are moving. Okay. And this is going to be very similar to all of the other ways of connecting to these other controllers. But for now, we're just going to connect to Craft. And we're going to search for Neo 2, like so. It's going to download the firmware that it's going to need to be able to control this drone. Now, previously, I've been using this with my DJI Air 3S. So, you know, I have to do this update just like everyone else would, but you guys get to see what it's like. Now, some parts of this I probably will speed up because it'll take, you know, it's going to take a long time in some situations for, you know, the files to be downloaded. Okay, it looks like we got the file. So let's just click on the Neo 2 and it says, yes, we are connected. So we do already have this on here connected. It's just showing us to connect that. And let's go ahead and hit install, confirm. And we wait again. It says firmware is updated. So now we have to press and hold this for about 4 seconds. And then we're going to pair. Aircraft did beep. And then it's going to connect to the aircraft. And we agree. Done. And there's another firmware update. So like I said, it doesn't take a really long time, but you know, just go ahead and go through these. It's one less thing you have to worry about before getting out there to fly. I just wanted you guys to see what the process is like. And like I said, it's not a big deal. You know, realistically, you can just sit through this and just wait for it to happen like we're doing here. Now, this is only 40%. So probably what I'll do is I will speed this up in the video so you guys don't have to sit through the whole thing. All right, guys, as you can see now we have got it. So we can just click here, connect to aircraft. Again, Neo 2 installed. It's asking us to press that button again. Oh, it wants us to turn the Neo on. And now we are connected. All right, so you are ready to go out and fly. Now, before going out to fly, make sure you do tighten down these screws. I have one of these little glass repair kits. So a lot of the little mini screwdrivers will be in that kit. So just make sure, guys, make sure that you tighten these screws down. They don't have to be rock solid tight, but you do want to make sure that this is not going to come, you know, apart, detach while you're flying. So I can kind of feel the resistance when I start to tighten these down, and I can tell right about where I need to stop. Because again, like I said, it doesn't have to be super tight, but it is definitely on there now. So hopefully this video has been helpful to someone who's just getting started. You know who you are, and this will help you get out there. If you guys have any additional questions about this drone, you know I will be doing future videos on it. But if you have a specific question that I did not answer somehow in this video for installing this digital transceiver, feel free to leave it down in the comments and I will do my best to answer those as soon as I see them come through. But until then, my babies, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.